This is Akash from Second Access. Today I'm going to show you how Second Access helped product team getting closer to the voice of customer. The first step in the process that we do is we have built an agent that gets to know the team. How that works is basically whenever we go and talk to a team, they go to the section get to know. Each team member gets to talk about agent, about the strategy, priorities, product, customer, technical context. When each team member of each different pod does this, we make an organization-wide memory that knows each team, how they work, what their individual goals and KPIs are. If I go in the memory section, we have two different sections over here. One is personal and then organization. Let me walk you through the personal memory. In personal memory, what we do is, unlike any other platform that only takes memory from your chat, we tap into all different integrations that they have done. Now, what that enables is, for example, if we go and look at preference of this user, this is an account of a demo user called Dana. If I look at one of these preferences were actually fetched from a Granola meeting that Dana used to have on a weekly cadence with a team member. Now, what this helps us do is any agent that performs in Second Access has a zero fetch context, that it does not need to go and fetch Granola meetings, GitHub PRs every single time to take a decision. All these decisions are already there. This memory is updated every single day, scanning from all these sources, handling duplication, conflicts, and surfacing any insights that a user might want to see. Going to the organization-wide context. This is where we bring the entire team to one page. This organization-wide context is handled by each team member. They can contribute to it directly, and we also fetch from all the data sources that are team shared into this organization-wide context. We take care of not putting any personal memories like emails and stuff like that in this organization-wide memory. Now, what this enables is, if you look at different classification, the agent already runs in the background to keep the sanity of this organization context. Let's go look at one of these decisions. So let's say the agent has built a memory of marketing for a team. Now, this marketing memory has been evolved from June 12th to August 7th. Now, what we do is, instead of storing just one of memories, we show the whole decision trail of how a particular decision has been evolved in an organization. This serves two purposes. One is when agent gives any suggestion about anything, it knows what has already not worked out, so it doesn't repeat itself. Second, if there's a new team member or new addition in the team, they know and they can chat with the agent about a history of certain things. These classifications are customized, built by the agent based on how and what the team actually does. This builds a building block for our entire application. Going to our templates and workflows. So we have gathered more than 3,000 plus workflows across internet. These workflows could include some workflows made by Gary Tan, Lenny, etc. that are very specific to product people. Now, with this marketplace, they have an ability to one-click add this workflow for them and for the entire team to work on. This eliminates the problem of them going and evaluating each skill, doing a cybersecurity review on each different MD files, and we do that for them. Based on this, we cater the workflows for them. So once the onboarding agent has completed and it understands the team priority, this is where it suggests these workflows and modify those templates from Marketplace into something that will work for the entire team. In this video, I'll focus on the workflow that we are deploying and is working for a lot of companies. And this is what we have seen a major need for, is voice of customer. If I go into this voice of customer workflow, this is basically an agent that runs every week or month based on how you want to orchestrate this. I'll go and look at August 9th run. Now, this workflow, what it does is it goes and looks at all these different data sources. Gong, Jira, AHA, Salesforce, emails, your different meetings, etc. It synthesizes all of these thousands of meetings happening every single day into concrete feature prioritization. Now, the differentiation comes in how the agent prioritizes this. Because agent knows about the organization-wide context, it is much suited to provide actual feature prioritization that a team would use. If I zoom in into one of these examples, this is a feature that was prioritized by the agent. It gives a clear evidence of verbatim of why this feature should be prioritized. But what is different is it actually links it to an organization-wide memory. It knows what the team KPIs and goals are, what their vision is, and help prioritize accordingly. Because we can also plug in into the code base, what agent can also look at is if a feature is already 80% there, making that feature in this sprint would satisfy a lot of customers, so a PM could prioritize that. We also give them opportunities by scanning market landscapes, etc. This is where the collaboration also comes in. All these workflows are by default shared by every teammate. You can open a session, jump into the chat with this particular artifact, invite your teammates right in over here, and do a collaborative session and talk about it. Instead of working in silos, this is where the whole team can work, listen to their voice of customer, and prioritize what features to build next. Thanks for watching.